staying near this dish. Maybe some here.
Oh, give me more, give me more. Where's the tuna? Where's the tuna? Where? If I dig it out, it might be fine. I could find some more.
I know, look at that. Oh my goodness. Gosh, she really does like it. She. What are you pointing at here? What are you pointing at? I see her.
Maybe he's underneath. Maybe there's more tuna underneath. Let's find it.
Look at Smiley. Okay, if it's so good, I want to try. If it's so wonderful, can I have some? Oh, it's so great.
Oh well.